my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is club time. What does that mean? Club time means a brand new stamp and die set are being sent to our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. And it's always on the first of the month, and it's always a brand new item, or set of items actually. And if you're not a club member, you need to join ASAP. It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month, shipped directly to your house. Who doesn't like Happy Mail, right? Now, if you love stamps and you want the dies that match, that's only $24.90 a month. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, click join the club, and you'll see a video that shows you all the information that you need. But now, my club members and I get to share in our excitement that we are now releasing, dun, 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 and it's already on their way to you, dun, 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 Polarbear2stamp. Okay, hello, isn't he the cutest little guy ever? Now, it's really fun because his little hands were designed to hold the present, but I have a feeling there's another add-on set that you can purchase optionally on our website, thestampsoflife.com, that he could hold other items. Whoa! That's true. Now look, it says warm wishes and Christmas kisses, or you could just say warm wishes, or you could just say Christmas kisses. So I made the stamp, so it's 3 different stamps, so you get to decide which part you want your card to say. Also, we have Merry Christmas, a gift for you, because it doesn't even need to be Christmas, and let's chill, because you know, this is not necessarily only a Christmas set. Now, the dies that match. For my Die Hard Club members, are you ready for this? Here we have the dies that match. We have the polar bear, and remember how I said his arms are made to cut? On this inside die, those arms will literally lift up so you can put these items behind it. Here's the present, here's his cute little scarf. Now, we're one of the very, very few companies that will include the inside die for you as well, which is really nice because you're not getting just the shadow die. No, no, no. You're getting the inside die and the shadow die. So if you want to stamp this little guy and die cut him with the shadow die, boom, great. But what if you're one of those people, and some people don't, what if you're one of those people that doesn't like the shadow around? Well, no problem. You're going to use the inside die to die cut it, and then you're going to have your stamped image and the inside die to die cut it, and boom, now you don't have that shadow. It's like 2 for the price of 1. Isn't that fantastic? So you're getting 2, 4, 6 very large dies. That bear is a pretty big size. Now, I can't wait to share my samples with you. Of course, you get the handy dandy postcard that shows you a couple samples, but don't forget to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, go to the online gallery and see all of the samples. I'm just showing you a few of them. Here's one using one of our newer Slimline Card dies, but look how cute. And you know what? I actually see 2 sneak peeks on this card. Can you see them? I see them. So much fun. Here's another one. Oh, and this has 2 sneak peeks as well. I'm not going to say a thing, but look at how cute that little bear is. Isn't he adorable? I just love him. Oh, wow. Here's a gorgeous one using our Christmas tree Fold-it. I originally brought this Christmas tree Fold-it to HSN, and now it is available soon on our website. Isn't that cute? Actually, it is available now on our website with our cute little polar bear. Now you can see that scarf. There's an example of using just the inside die. So you don't have the shadow die, you just have the inside. So it really looks fantastic. Oh my goodness. Let's mix and match our polar bear from Jingle and Jangle, our Christmas elves, and our Christmas light stamps and die set. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and I see a sneak peek on this one as well. My lips are sealed. Here's another one. Oh, so cute with felt. Don't forget our dies cut our wool felt that you can also find on our website. Aren't those cute? Now this one's holding a little coffee cup. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early. He sets his alarm for 1 a.m. Can you believe it? He wants to get them in the mail to you as soon as possible so they get in that mail system, because as we all know, mail is taking longer these days. But we get them to you as soon as we can. We drop them in the mail ASAP, and you're going to get them. If you're not in the club, you have to join. Club members also get a 15% discount on our website, including those sneak peeks that I just shared. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.